Are you looking for your first home? Check out this exceptionally well cared for home being sold by the original owner. Super clean, ready to move. This 960-foot bungalow in North Kildonan will benefit from a little cosmetic help, but many of the important updates have been done over the years. The main floor has 3 bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom. The nice oak kitchen was updated in the mid-90s, as were the tri-pane windows made by Polar. Also enjoy the 3-season sunroom off the kitchen, which was added in the mid-90s as well. The finished rec room includes an updated 3-piece bathroom, as well as a 4th room. This could serve as a bedroom, but the window is not going to meet current standards. The high-efficiency furnace, air conditioning, and hot water tank were all replaced 5 years ago. The backyard is fenced with chain link fence and includes a single detached garage. This home includes all appliances and blinds. It's located to all levels of schools, parks, transportation, and shopping. There will not be an open house, and viewings are only for pre-approved buyers working with their own agent. If you don't have an agent, contact me anytime. It's 𝗀𝗏𝗀𝗀 204-333-2202. Also, if you're not pre-approved, I can help you with that. We can start with an online Zoom chat to determine how best to help you get this home.
Real stories of buying a home with 𝗀𝗏𝗀𝗀.
Well, my husband wanted something fairly modern and new, and I was willing to get more of a fixer-upper kind of a house. He would listen to our conversation that we were having between the two of us, and he just knows what to listen for and narrow down what your wants truly are.
What do you look for in a real estate agent?
He's friendly, he's knowledgeable, he knows how to get you on the same page.
Find it in 𝗀𝗏𝗀𝗀.
He's who I wanted to work with.
Visit Bo at winnipeghomefinder.com.
𝗀𝗏𝗀𝗀 is a proud supporter of Darcy's Animal Rescue Center. Darcy's Ark is a charity which saves nearly 1,000 cats and dogs from neglect, abuse, or homelessness in Winnipeg each year. Come visit our shelter and store at 730 Century Street. At Darcy's, we rescue for life.
And hey, if you're still with me at this point, why not grab my free podcasting app? Available for iOS and Android devices. It's super easy. Just go to winnipeg.tips/Apple/Android. That's winnipeg.tips/Apple/Android. That way you'll never miss another episode about Winnipeg, real estate, or both.